What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today guys, it's finally the day na magre-react tayo sa Kalakal ng SB19 featuring Glock 9. When this was out, I was already prompted, pero for some reason, bakit hindi ko to na-react? So today, I'm going to react to it. And also, alam ko na meron silang performance ata neto sa Wish 107.5 bus, if I am not mistaken. And somewhere na nag-live sila with Glock 9, but I'm not really sure. Basta nakita ko somewhere sa YouTube recommendation. But anyway, today, let's jump right into the video. And if hindi kayo naka-follow sa akin sa Facebook, do follow me there, David Lanyas on TikTok and on Instagram for more videos. Okay, so let's go. Let's react to this one. Okay, warning, this video may potentially trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Okay, viewer discretion advised. Okay, so medyo very to sa mata. Oh, ganda nung clips ah. Hey. Oh. Oy, may ako sa kanila. Yung vibe nila is parang My Hero Academia. Nanonood ba kayo doon? O yung nila, yung may ganito kasing 'di ba? Parang ganito yung mga suot doon sa anime na 'yon. I love the fact na nagbisaya na naman si Ken dito sa mga lyrics niya. I love it. Grabe sila masuko kung ikaw ipakita nimo grabe sila masuko kung ipakita nimo nga ikaw nagpaka-real. Grabe sila daw magalit kapag pinakita mong nagpakatotoo ka lang. Oh, yun.
Nakarinig ka na binangkuhan. Yung nag-rap ang isang di makabasa pinggan. Boses nga'y anghel pakinggan. Mga salita'y nakikipagsundukan. Kakaiba di makakailan.
What?
Lahat ng mga salita. Masarap diba di ka magsasawa. Lunukin mo na lang tama na ang kuda. Binurasin na.
Ooh. Nagulat ako doon sa wordplay, tapos yung flow ni Justin. It's not the usual Justin na kilala ko. Nice. We're not yet halfway through the video, pero man, I am loving the visuals. Gusto ko yung yung parang mas dito sa kantang to, mas na-emphasize yung rapping skills nila. I love it. Nagulat ako ha. Whoa. Fighting fish. Man, very international talaga, no? The music, the lyrics, yung flow, even the accent, no, ng pagra-rap nila, even though it's Tagalog, kahit Bisaya, man, the flow, yung talaga, yung articulation, the sound, very specific na sila doon, no? I think that they've really tried and practiced their pronunciation, The sounds, man, incredible. Very international talaga yung tunog. Hey. Glock 9. I believe this is going to be Glock 9's part. Woo. The one and only. Let's go. Oh. Si Glock 9 to eh. Oh, etong nagtutulak si Glock 9 to. I'm very sure about it. Hey, let's go Glock. Para ako nanonood ng ng movie. Sa totoo lang. Ang ganda ng visuals talaga. The storytelling dito sa music video, it's very good.
Bawat tunog na pinipinta, hindi mo to maiinda. Parang patalim na tinara kaming pinadanak at damang-dama mo na. Dala namin pag kami ang parating, tulad ng isang pinagbigyang hiling. Makikita na lamang ang iyong sarili na sumasang-ayong umiiling. Kahit ilang ulit pa ang dumaang panahon, naming nagulong sa kahon, dumadagong.
The one and only. Grabe. Grabe. Alam ko naman, yung level ng SB19 ngayon, like, super duper high na talaga, no? Namamayagpag sila sa P-pop scene, no? Sila pa rin yung hari ng P-pop. But, man, iba din talaga yung, ibang level din talaga si Glock 9, no? In terms sa kanyang skills, no? And technicality sa music, especially sa rapping. Man, iba talaga. May distinction din eh. Very distinct and very talaga eh, unique. Itong Glock 9 na to eh. Legend, the one and only, man. Hey, double time, let's go. Okay, trivia. Isisingit ko lang. Alam mo yung pinakaunang, yung isang advertisement na tumatak talaga sa isip ko nung kabataan ko. I don't know if basta magkaedad tayo or at least same generation tayo kung alam nyo tong advertisement na to na nag-rap si Glock 9. V-Fresh. Malamig sa bibig. V-Fresh. Nakakakilig. If you guys remember that, I hope nag-asawa na kayo at may mga anak na kayo. Ooh, animation, let's go. Bro, I think arguably marami nang nakitang SB19 music video, but I think this is one of those very maangas talaga, no? Na very maangas, very swaggy. Alam naman natin that they always have that angst in them. Yung swagginess nasa sa kanila talaga. But this level of creativity, editing, visuals, storytelling, man, this is one of a kind. Okay? I think this is actually a standout among their music videos. For me. I think isa sa mga influence or nag-influence kung bakit stand out to is may dalawa pala. Unang influence is yung parang yung nakikita ko talaga yung My Hero Academia sa kanila. Okay? Tapos pangalawa, andito si Glock. Ibang level yan. Hey. and shout out din kay Ken kasi talagang he's able to exploit yung skill niya sa mga low notes, no, in terms sa rapping and sa singing. Yung low notes niya talaga he was able to hone that and improve it very, very much, no? Hey. Haha. Galing. Galing. Yun lang masasabi ko, man. Galing. Like, ang galing talaga. Very international. Pwedeng ilaban natin sa international artists sa kung anumang platform na yan, or anumang contest, or award, if we want to aim for a certain or specific award for a song. I think itong Kalakal, it has what it takes, no? Pwede ito, may laban tayo dito, man. Galing. Kudos to the team, kudos to SB19. Alam naman natin na parang naging independent na sila ngayon. Sila na yung talagang parang hands-on na sila masyado, no? Not just being an artist, but also managing the group, if I'm not mistaken. So I think ito may laban tong kantang to. Good job. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy that one. So if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe, okay? So peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.